Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix 404 page not found error in WordPress. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to a permalinks, settings, permalinks, and here you need to change to something else. In my case, it's post name, change it to plain, and then save changes, and look after changes is saved, look if the problem persists. And after page reloads, then just go back with your permalink here and then save it again. And your issue should be solved here with the first step. Another thing can be your WordPress plugins. Maybe some of the plugins is causing this problem. So what is just to do here is to go to install plugins and then disable basically plugins one by one, deactivate it, and then refresh the site and look if the problem persists. Once you found the plugin that is causing the problem, you just need to deactivate it and activate other ones. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.